baby a omo no ebia na meja no na ya ntimi anum ni tambra ya die no so na emo Kotoko team na aba so
sure
Kwame winning by 4-1 against Buko FN is a Dreams FC enye mean feat considering the fact that this season na the season before na Kotoko above 4 matches against Dreams na victory cry enwo den Obeka say the X factor was Karim Zitu no honum na onye the antidote to Kotoko Buko no and I'm so Emma Dreams no mu shom biana name ayede Kwame you give it to the coach because for somebody to have left a club not long ago and do a man tempo na what we pay Kotoko team na Kwame with simply same players our better way and for them to have done something Kwame when say ache share Kotoko last 16 games no my boy before 100 game no when him say 2 goals Kwame 2 goals in a game now Kotoko actually twice in the last 16 games so about game no 2 goals in a game Kwame the last 16 and you 1 and you 2 the last 6 matches no match 2 pay almost any Lagos cities over count them Lagos cities by 2-0
sure
Patrick Asiedu any Abraham defend Kwame Poku and share the 2 goals and only true democracy FA Cup Kotoko winning by 2-1 and Kwame Poku Korea and Saka Doda and share the 2 goals Kwamu ye esinchi onim say out of the last 16 games emu 9 Kwame emu 9 Kotoko share 1 goal in each and every one of their 9 games their last 16 matches omene ay Kerala United 1-0 omene 11 wise Kotoko share by a goal to the Kwame Bekaya FA Cup omene Samatex in a league equia 1-1 Kotoko Asia a Holy Star Basake Kotoko shown by a goal to 0 and omene bekum Chelsea in a league Kwame and 1-0 sana Kotoko Asia omo Kotoko ne Pando out of lines Pando equia 1-1 Kotoko ne Bechem United Kwame Bayara Sports no so yes saying 1-1 Kotoko ne Aduana Kotoko Aduana by a goal to 0 one bekum Chelsea Kwame FA Cup last time round on shown by a goal to 0 in the Kotoko last 16 games the moon 9 Kwame 1-1 other 1-1 and I say Kotoko 1-0 and emu 5 Kotoko Anshegu the last 16 matches na make before 100 game no emu 5 kwa Anshegu omone inso atreman I game in the see Kotoko lose by goal to 0 Kotoko ne young apostle kwa 0-0 Kotoko ne Accra Lions and am go lose by 3 goals to 0 no Kotoko Anshegu in that game and Nations FC Asia Kotoko by 2 goals to 0 ewa Abrankese and then now the folk game kwam 0-0 and you got last 16 games in the Ghana Premier League and FA Cup only 2 times per kwam so my day 2 goals even the entirety of this season we got share 3 goals in a game that the entirety of this season
almost a vision for
4-1 make a 3
okay
maybe vision almost share 4 goals so but almost 3 goals in a game Kwame Kotoko Shebi
okay
a vision is almost shown by 4 goals to 1 other visions and almost 16 games at Kwame no and share 3 goals in a game and put 2 no Kwame just 2 times per na Nancy Benra Papa fan say Karim Zitu in Ben the 4th game what boy Kotoko no Kwame was share by 4 goals to 1 and against a team of say Dreams Pejaye at some point in time it is because your boy season do baby no airy but when they got the performance up and I'm sure somewhere almost share man for now if almost share I no but after say echo lose editia mediama around by 5 goals to medium a share no Kwame form a bit up and down Kwame not to take anything away from Kotoko no Kwandro where the team Kwame who performances all round individually and then what collectively we got to team no Mantiano poised for the Ghana Premier League although some of us because of what you see in the Ghana Premier League and what we are predicting we don't see Kotoko win Kwame and Mantiano want to give in their all and if you can't say oh if you do Kwame football 3 things in a room and either you win you draw or you lose but Kwame first or lose game no and I tell whether deserve to play Kotoko as on the other side team no and Kotoko Mantiano Kwame say where for Mohamed Kamara kwa Brantiano. No wonder why I saw bench for the Kasari.
And right, saves be on yeah, no.
Kwame, no
very crucial.
Milim Bismarck Benya highlights Ediato a screeners ama a man for Anyabia Kwame.
Very crucial.
Kwame, you look for a foreigner to go into a new league, Kwame. A year ahead because I'm also prove it beyond all reasonable doubt say are good. And this is not just another goalkeeper, a captain of the club Kotoko.
So
Bencheno. And not just a captain. Somebody before Asari, he was there at the Black Stars. 81 Kwame, Kotoko captain, Kotoko number 1, Black Stars a goalie. No goalkeeper, even put time and then the man quave man Kotoko. No fan Black Stars because Coach Otuado and the technical team has seen something in him. But Mohamed Kamara came in Kwame. On my Mijuma DNA, Ekasan Edemano, and they saved after saved each and every game, even after say, all she season now say, not the form and some of us came in near Lambasi because near YouTube say Kwame the form not and yet first round at especially at Obuasi Linkly. Goes and all consider Kwame, then you go sir, near Kama. Cause nations. We go down Erishano, Kwame. Ne go sir, not avoidable. But I'm not winable. Or call a training ground, come the Bienna Mecano one no. We nipa Kwame. Ups and downs are part of lives. And our life. But we nipa no what you make out of it when you go down because Bema Esha as anything. Nearly we no. But when you lie down, come out other from what and we no. But top from on sorry and nay. He has become one of the best service pair of hands all my mua.
Sure.
And some of people are commenting say and kominya nanka abrante na natural jamagana. A show how one may what be a fan favorite from criticism, from a mockery to become a lifesaver. And I got to go kono. And no Kwame, I can recall around 3, 4, 5, 6 years or to preserve the lead. And some of them quite a double one or make it. 10 draw for me. I think that's how Kwame. 7 percentage wise, and I'm not out of 10. Kwame. Kamara, sorry, Mohamed Kamara. Kwame, out of 10. Man, be 8 out of 10. Go on, Kwame. I don't think you can run something about the goal. But what he could have done, Kwame, or Eddie Mabuama team, no. Kwame, Patrick Asiedu. A branch, you know, me ya like ways. I'm never describe a branch, you know. Because we are Patrick Asiedu, Kwame, they be America. Some players came to Kotoko about with huge fanfare. Bombay Kwame, on Madamon, on Timmy Anedisa. Last year January, Okaya, in Morocco, a Kote, every sort of man Abano. They be American Kwame, I'm rating our Soropa. Kwadame to himself, my muadie, no per on the bottom of 2 of Bopa Kwame. No, any other Draman and the wild folk, Tamano Ghost Stars. Belbagot Kwame, nim, a better ultimate amo. They see the Bagot Kwame from day one. Who's a better Kwame, he mean business. And not only Sergeant Ranso, he knows when to pass, where to run with the ball, Kwame, and 1v1, Kwame Branted SIA good.
Sure. And
then Rura better Madiba Kwame, joining the attack, giving up the players Kwame. For me, and also do a game, Kwame, man best 7 out of 10 on do a game, no. And they, Kwame, Lord Amwa, Oprah say, and they, as like he never left. He too gave us something. And then someone on put a Kwame and it was saying, or no, center back is here in the few hours. And I'm Fifi.
I said in Fifi now, and not the Nijina.
And now no call Bobby the latter stage of the game of Bobby.
Sin Fifi pa Samba. Samba no Nimbobo.
Hey!
Samba no Nimbobo.
Come on, Samba the brother for the Omodia.
Samba Nimbobo.
Obia, yeah, some of us, the media men and even supporters, every parent because no ball center back. And no acquire Henry Anthony Ablo and a ball center back.
Player back on so was improving more, Henry Ansu.
Yeah, Kwame, you see, me say, on say football no, I say Abrabono. Told out quite now already the Messi Kwam Eboa. And that's what I hear Abuan because on say pecking order no or fall down crowd. Emma nay and young players that buy now better able to no. But when he got a chance, and they are trying to make sure that Kwame or Bessels are captured the form that brought him to Kotoko. Because if he become Chelsea about Kwame, need him they know better me. But Bayern on easy no deal last season. Some point to look at defense and Papa Biasa.
They man bad them.
Edemano. But this season, Ablone Samba partnership no Kwame. Nya injuries ever to Ablo Kwame. Na little bit more their partnership building, you know. But no about a chain modern. And then Kwame and losing team menu. Some pass no the man Emma going ever.
And I used to my pass back be a uchi.
Yeah.
Like and no team need they were
and I make a Kwame the collective where passes now almost string together now. And show a team Kwame or more a pattern of play. Or minimum air on the foot of play. Also Kwame the interpositional play and animal. And also that equation one understanding one more to be ball will be over PQB. And to where how almost just 20 pounds of Kwame 1, 2, 3 no more do a open 8-yard box on more. And Baba Kwame Maka a branch on home.
No, he was on fire.
But he was just splendid. Baba ya Mr. Kwame on my one. So number 10 for and they won't me a cabaret in NC. But how nice say my one minim ye place me come here to then doso. Ye je born na je chain a doors a child ye football come in here. And correct football and chain any jabber support him. Nemum come in football in the final analysis book game area. The busan say come why na say
sure.
And net the only chain into sabaya and to improve Kwame. I want the final third on Kwame. A Brenten will be at the top. Because balance here and chain, yen dada Kwame. Only few the two Baba on my mua. But total over elaborate club on eche. But no Kwame. No release ball quick. Pre-assess no go ahead. Abba. Kwam poku edubebi. Na some of us ye feel say Kwam oya fall down. Because some of be general soil no what not maintaining. But the last games now sounds air back air tontera. And Andrew Kwame on my 2 goals, and my team no any 4 goals. Albert Amwa and come and AJ, how Albert I'm going to go in the Bayern. We are Kwam Puku and a Bano.
Sure.
Or Kwam Kotrasi. And Albert Amwa General Kwame. Also, before this game, even before last game now, Moyana, not the narrative was that, or me and anything, anchor. Because otherwise, you went passing Murray. And they wanted to quell away that narrative somewhere, or Moncano and Kwame. For me, I think that's how well they did yesterday. Even with the goal, actually said the team that is well coached.
Okay.
They're not going to team Kwame all round. Yama Basso can you do everything now?
Hearts.